In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize headers, footers, and page numbers in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a professional report or a personal document, having customized headers and footers can greatly enhance the presentation of your work. So let's get started with the basics. First, go ahead and open your document in Google Docs. If you're not already there, just navigate to docs.google.com and select the document you want to work on. Now, with your document open, look towards the top of your screen and find the menu labeled Insert. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear. From this menu, you can choose headers and footers, and then decide if you want to add either a header or a footer. Selecting either option will activate the respective area on your page where you can begin adding your content. Now that you have your header or footer area active, you can type in the text you want to appear. This could be your document title, a date, or any other information pertinent to your document. After you've finished entering your text, you'll need to exit this section. To do that, you can either click anywhere outside the header or footer area, or simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. Next, let's turn our attention to cases where you might want a different header or footer on your first page. To do this, double-click on your header or footer, which will open up the editing options again. Look for the Options button and give it a click. Here, you'll see an option for either header format or footer format. A window will pop up and you'll see a checkbox for a different first page. Check that box. You can now customize the text specifically for the first page without it affecting the rest of your document. Similarly, there are times when you might need different headers or footers for odd and even pages. This is particularly useful for printed documents. Just like before, double-click on your header or footer to bring up the editing menu. Click on Options, and again select Header Format or Footer Format. This time, look for the option labeled Different, Odd, and Even. By checking this box, you'll enable separate headers and footers for odd and even pages, allowing you to customize them to your liking. And there you have it. These simple steps allow you to completely customize how headers and footers appear throughout your document, giving you the professional touch that stands out. As you play around with these settings, you'll find numerous ways to enhance the readability and presentation of your documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create beautifully formatted documents with ease.